We're getting some breaking news first up on what has been a spate of some of the biggest developments over the last 2 weeks. That is in relation with India-China skirmishes at the border, especially in eastern Ladakh. Sources are now telling Republic TV that senior Indian Chinese military commanders are all set to meet to diffuse Ladakh tensions. Divisional commander level talks are set to be held soon. Remember, diplomatic channels are already on, talks are already on to ensure that the issue is settled amicably and peacefully. Several statements to this effect have already been issued diplomatically between India and China. But of course, as far as the standoff itself or the skirmish itself at the border is concerned, both countries have been in an eyeball-to-eyeball situation or worse, and India has been maintaining its position set fast. Abhishek Kapoor, our executive editor, is joining us over the phone line now. Abhishek, some of these talks have happened in the past. Recently, diplomatic channels, of course, are already quite hot. What more can we expect when more senior military commanders from both sides sit and meet?
Well, Shivani, what we are getting to here is that next round of talks between divisional commanders are going to happen this coming week. The last ones happened on May 22nd and May 23rd. They were inconclusive. Now, India has proposed that they can happen either on Monday or Thursday. We are waiting to hear from the Chinese side. But what is important is, as had been indicated by Union Defense Minister Rajnath Singh yesterday, in our interview, that talks are on both at the diplomatic level as also between the militaries, which essentially means the mechanisms that have been put in place post the Wuhan understanding that was reached between the two leaders and strengthened during the Mamallapuram summit are clearly being kicked in. Nobody wants a war, and it seems that given the fact that the Chinese have made at least 3 statements in a span of 72 hours, which indicate towards no escalation, if not exactly de-escalation. First, the Chinese embassy, China's foreign ministry spokesperson saying that situation is stable and under control. Then the Chinese envoy in Delhi saying that we are not threat to each other. And then again,
All right. Abhishek, just for the benefit of our viewers, I just want to reiterate what Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has said. Of course, keeping India's interest in mind, he has reiterated that military diplomatic talks are on with Beijing. And you, of course, have already highlighted some of the statements that have been made, both from India's side and also from the Chinese side. America has tried to wade into this as well. But I just wanted to understand from you once more, the situation as it prevails. What is the latest that you're picking up as far as the military situation is concerned and the Indian Army's position is concerned?